Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today learn alphabets. Kids class name. Blue color, blue color. Yellow color, yellow color. Black color, black color. Green color, green color. Red color, red color. Yellow color, yellow color. Kids now coloring alphabets. Kids first draw A. A for apple. A for aeroplane. And use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw B. B for ball. B for bat. The alphabets of B, and use yellow color. Yellow color. Kids now draw C. C for cat. C for car, and use black color. Black color. Kids now draw D. D for dog. D for doll, and use green color. Green color. The alphabets of D. Kids now draw E. E for egg. E for elephant. The alphabets of E, and use red color. Red color. Kids now draw F. F for fish. F for fan, and use blue color. Blue color. Kids now draw G. G for goat. G for grapes, and use yellow color. Yellow color. The alphabets of G. Kids now draw H. H for hen. H for helicopter. The alphabets of H, and use black color. Black color. Kids now draw I. I for ice. I for ice cream. The alphabets of I, and use green color. Green color. Kids now draw J. J for joker. J for jackfruit. The alphabets of J, and use red color. Red color. The alphabets of J. Kids today draw A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.